Glartist Set Piece outline as DXF. First, we have to open the file, DXF file. Then we will gather this file, and this file, when we check it, we check the information, then we see it's insert. So now it's not really outlined. So we had to set as a real outline. So we had to make it to explode the DXF file. So we make an insert file become like this, and we see the file, the line is not string together, and there are some of the line they are useless. So I will to make it to select the center line, that is center line. We will push the delete, then we delete the center line. After we delete all of the center line, then we can string this line together. So we select all, and we push the string. Then all of line they are string together. And on the other hand, the text is so small, so we can use the function draw, edit the text. Then we select the text, and we change his size, become maybe 20, and we select change all. Yes, then it works, and I select OK. Now this word is become so big, and we can read it. Then we want to translate. I push the right button to the main phone. Then here is the 1 and 2. So we will select it, and we can save as the DXF, like 1 and DXF, and we click another one. This is 3 and 4, so we save as 3 DXF, and this one is 7, so I will click and pick a save as 7 DXF. Little by little, we can save all of these single piece as single DXF.